Surfshark VPN review. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you all that you guys need to know about Surfshark VPN, its pricing, its features, and also all the perks that you guys get if you were to use Surfshark VPN. So coming on to surfsharkvpn.com, you guys can see that they are the editor's choice for PC Mag 2021, which is a very good thing. That just goes to show how good Surfshark VPN actually is. You guys can browse privately by using Surfshark VPN. You guys can change your IP using Surfshark VPN. You guys can also travel securely using Surfshark VPN. Now over here you guys can also see that their plan includes unlimited devices, no logs policy, all advanced security features, high-speed content delivery, and 24/7 support. They also give you a 30-day money-back guarantee as well, and Surfshark proves its worth with a large collection of privacy tools, an excellent application, and unlimited device connections. Over here you can also see that they give you a free ad blocker as well, a free antivirus software if you were to just simply get their VPN, and alert features which are going to basically keep track of all of your computer's data breaches if there are any, and it's going to let you know so you guys could just simply safeguard your data. You guys can also see over here that you guys can of course get a personalized search engine as well, and you guys can get truly organic search results. Now coming on to their pricing, we can basically see that their pricing is of course gonna be $12.95 per month if you guys choose to pay every single month, and if you guys choose to pay for 2 years upfront, well then it's gonna cost you $2.49 per month. And if you guys choose to pay for like 1 year upfront, well then it's going to cost you $3.99 per month. You guys can also see that you guys have PC Mag's exclusive testimonial over here too, and you also have CNET's reviews and Tech Radar's reviews as well. And of course you guys can see that Surfshark compares the best when it comes to other VPNs out there. So I will just simply open up Surfshark VPN, and while I am opening it up, be sure to check out the link in the description below, and you guys can get yourself Surfshark VPN at an exclusively discounted rate that you guys can of course use, because if you guys were to buy it yourself, it's going to cost you 12.9-ish dollars per month. But of course if you guys were to use our link, it's going to cost you about $10 to $11 per month, which is pretty discounted, and it's going to save you $1 or $2 every single month. Now coming on to Surfshark VPN's application dashboard, this is the dashboard that you guys see when you guys open up Surfshark VPN. You guys have a huge list of VPN over here. You guys have Albania, Algeria, Andorra, Argentina. You guys have Australia. You guys have Belgium. You guys have so many different countries, and you guys can choose to connect to any country that you guys want. You can also choose static IP options as well. If you are someone who uses a VoIP phone, you guys can also choose the multi-hop feature if you are someone who wants to of course get that extra level of security to bounce data from one location to another and then to another. And then of course you also get their alert and antivirus system as well. So all in all, the options are there, and you guys can choose to proceed with them, and you guys can definitely enjoy Surfshark VPN and all of its features. So guys, be sure to check out the link in the description below if you guys want to get Surfshark VPN. And again, thank you so much for watching guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.